Hello everyone. In today's reading class, we are going to see about the Hindi alphabets, part 9. Before moving into this video, we will recommend you to watch all the remaining 8 parts and then return back to this video. A small recap. Ch se charka and ch se chhatri. J se ja, g जग, ज से जग, झ से झंडा, झ से झंडा. Now let us fill few exercises. This is your page. Try to fill the first letter of the given word. I have filled it. It's j से जग. J से जग. This is your page. Try to fill the first letter of the given word. I have filled it. It's J से झंडा. J से झंडा. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, kindly subscribe to our channel and help us to make more videos like this. I will meet you soon in the next part of this series. Until then, bye. Take care. See you.